Hi everybody. Recently someone asked me how they could go about converting a Teach Yourself Chinese cassette into an MP3 or some other digital form which they could listen to on their iPod. So it's a relatively straightforward and easy thing to do, but I thought I'd do a video just to sort of show people how to do it rather than explain it. So you need some equipment in order to do this, and the first thing you need is a jack, a male-to-male headset jack. So basically you need something that you're going to plug into the cassette player and something that you're going to plug into the computer in order to transfer the sound between the two. Now the next thing you need is a cassette player, and I found a relatively cheap one here on eBay for less than $5, and these headset jacks are £2.50. So basically for less than a tenner I got all the equipment I need. Now you do need an audio jack on your computer. Almost every computer has one, and I would be amazed if yours didn't. If you don't want to have that, however, on your computer, then you are going to have a problem. But most laptops or desktop PCs have the capability to plug in a headset jack. Right, so once you've got that and you have your cassette player, you just pop the cassette player in, you plug it into there, you plug it into your computer, and you fire up Audacity. Now Audacity is a free audio editing software, but it'll also do recording. So once you've plugged it all in, you just select the microphone or the place where you're going to record from. So in this instance it's going to be the headset jack. So you're going to pick the headset jack out of your list. It should be there somewhere. Bit of trial and error, I'll tell you which one it is. And then you just press the record button, which I'm not going to do because it'll have a massive amount of feedback. But you press the record button, and then down here your recording will start to show. When the cassette finishes, you stop, save that track, and export it as an MP3 or a WAV or whatever you want to export it as, but typically an MP3. And then you need to save that file and start again after having turned the cassette over and do the second side the same. Then all you need to do is again export it as MP3, open up Audacity again, and import both MP3s at the same time so that you have them together, and then you just merge them into one single file and export it, and hey presto, you have the cassette recorded as an MP3. You don't have to, you could keep them as side A and B, but you know, it's obviously more convenient if you have them all on the same track. If you have any issues about that, there's hundreds of videos on YouTube about how to merge MP3 files using Audacity, so that's all you need to do. Anyway, that's it. It's quick, it's relatively painless and easily done. If you have any issues, let me know in the comments, or if you have any suggestions for other things that you need to know about learning languages which are sort of computer related, and I'll try and help you out. Alright, thanks everybody, and see you soon.